follow up on the feud between the First Lady and the Vice President. Here's the report.
President Bongbong Marcos has spoken up about apparent feud between his wife, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and Vice President Sara Duterte. The president says Liza was just being a protective wife. Recall that the First Lady hit the VP for supposedly laughing when the president was called bangag. That remark came from Sara's father, former President Rodrigo Duterte.
First of all, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife na very protective sa akin na kahit na may nakita hindi magandang sinabi tungkol sa akin. Talagang she gets very upset. I guess we cannot blame her.
The VP earlier said that Liza's feelings have nothing to do with her post as a government official. This comes amid calls from some lawmakers for her to resign as Education Secretary. But that does not sit well with the President.
Any of the cabinet secretaries will be replaced pag hindi nila ginagawa yung trabaho nila. All the other things are not part of the discussion. Pag hindi na kaya, nagkasakit, sabihin mo na, di papalitan ka namin. O hindi talaga marunong, o corrupt, di ba? Tatanggalin ka talaga namin. Hindi naman ganun si Inday.
Marcos says his working relationship with Duterte will remain intact.